Nosipho defends Njeza's character, but has she spoken too soon? Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 18th to the 22nd of October 2021 on Monday. Raphael realizes he's been set up when he is arrested on Tuesday. MaMlambo is locked up. Hlelo find out where her baby is. Raphael threatens Sibonelo on Wednesday. Kapsile has a hard time opening up her heart to love. MaMlambo is horrified to learn that her good deed could land her a maximum of 15 years in prison. Nosipho defends Njeza's character, but has she spoken too soon on Thursday. A fight escalated to a near-fatal situation between Nosipho and Njeza. MaMlambo learns of a harsh truth about Hlelo. Nkunzi refuses to give up on Kapsile on Friday. The day has finally arrived for MaMlambo and Hlelo to face their crime, while Kapsile blames herself for Hlelo's situation. Nosipho's attempt in contacting her family falls flat, and Sibonele hit another brick wall. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.